to Coral Farm. It is a cold and blustery fall day, and what better comfort food than mac and cheese on a cold and blustery fall day? And that's what we're making on the campfire. This one is specifically for camping, so we're using evaporated milk, and the only fresh ingredient we're using is cheese. Now if you're going on a longer camp where it's very hot, what you want to do is freeze your cheese and wrap it in newspaper in its little bag so that it will stay cold for longer, and then you can use the newspaper to light your fire. Enjoy. Thank you! We love you guys. If you love us too, please like and subscribe. But otherwise, have a wonderful fall, and I hope you get to eat lots of comfort food. Bye.